So, have you decided what you're going to have?
Yeah, I think I'll have a tall skinny latte. Oh, and I'm gonna get one of those blueberry muffins. They are delish. What about you?
I can't stand having hot drinks when it's hot, so I'm going to have a vanilla frappuccino. I was also umming and ahhing about having the cheesecake. You know what? I'll get a slice. You getting anything else?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Okay, I'll go and order. Just wait here.
Good afternoon. What can I get you?
I'll have a tall skinny latte, a vanilla frappuccino, a blueberry muffin, and a slice of cheesecake, please.
What size would you like for the frappuccino? Tall, grande or venti?
Venti is the largest?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, venti, please.
Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, sir. That will be $17, please.
Here you are, and please keep the change.
Thank you very much for your order. It will be ready in just a moment.
Well, that didn't take so long.
Awesome! Thanks for getting the drinks. What do I owe you?
Put your money away. It's my treat. I haven't seen you for ages.
Oh, okay. Well, the next one is on me.
Sure.
So, you don't drink hot drinks at all during hot weather?
No, not at all. I just prefer having cold drinks. I find them much more refreshing.
Not even a coffee in the morning?
I do have a coffee in the morning, but I get one of those canned coffees on the way to work from the vending machine, and it's cold.
Canned coffee? Oh my goodness, they're awful. I really hate the taste of them. That's why I never drink them.
I've grown to quite like them, to be honest. They are super convenient as well.
Well, each to their own. You can stick to the canned coffee, and I'll stick with my regular coffee.
Hello, welcome to the Savoy restaurant. How many would you like a table for?
We'd like a table for two, please.
Sure, we have one by the window. Please follow me.
Wow, what a lovely view. Thank you.
Here's the menu. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order.
Do you know what you're going to have?
Everything looks so nice. But I quite fancy the grilled swordfish. What about you?
I'm going to have either the steak or the smoked salmon. I'm not sure which one to go for. Are we going to get a starter?
I'd like to get the breaded mushrooms.
Okay, well, I'll have the shrimp cocktail and then I'll have the steak.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
Okay, great. Would you like any starters?
Yes, I'll have the breaded mushroom, please.
And I'll have the shrimp cocktail, please.
Sure, one breaded mushroom and one shrimp cocktail. How about your main dishes?
I'll have the swordfish, please.
Would you like that with rice or a baked potato?
I would like rice, please. But could I also order a side dish of Caesar salad?
Certainly. And for you, sir?
I'll have the ribeye steak, please.
Great. How would you like your steak?
I would like it medium rare, please.
Thank you. And would you like French fries or mashed potato?
I'd like mashed potato, please.
Of course, and what drinks can I get you?
I would like a large glass of red wine, please.
Do you have ginger ale?
Yes, we do, sir.
Great! I would like a glass of ginger ale, please, but with no ice.
Sure, let me just check your order. 1 breaded mushrooms and 1 shrimp, cocktails for starters, 1 swordfish with rice and a side of Caesar salad, and 1 ribeye steak, medium rare with mashed potatoes for your main course, and for drinks 1 large red wine and 1 glass of ginger ale with no ice.
Yes, that's perfect, thank you.
Anything else I can get you?
No, thank you. That's all.
Okay, I'll be back with your drinks and food soon. Here's your meal and drinks. If you need anything, just let me know.
Okay, thank you very much.
How's your swordfish?
It's great. The flavor of it is amazing. How's your steak? It looks really nice.
I have to say, it is one of the best steaks I've ever had. It's cooked to perfection. Would you like to try some?
No, thank you. I'm good with my fish.
Is everything okay with your food?
Superb, thank you.
Amazing, thanks.
Have you finished?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'll just take your plates for you. Can I get you the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are. I'll be back in a moment to take your order. Would you like to order any desserts?
Yes. How big is the ice cream sundae?
It's pretty big, to be honest. Most people like to share it.
Let's share. I'm not so hungry for dessert.
Okay, we'll have 1 ice cream sundae to share, please.
Certainly, it won't be too long. Here you are. Enjoy your dessert.
Oh wow, this is to die for.
Yeah, I agree. It really is good. Excuse me, could we get the bill, please?
Sure, here you are.
What's the damage?
It's pretty reasonable, to be honest, for the quality. About $80.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. Just leave $100. The service was excellent.
Sure, sounds good to me. Excuse me, here you go. Please keep the change. The service was top notch.